Welcome to today's lesson on financial goals. Understanding the difference between short-term and long-term goals is fundamental to building a successful financial future. By the end of this video, you'll know how to categorize your goals by time horizon and create an effective plan for each category. Let's dive in and learn how to transform your financial dreams into achievable targets. Financial goals are specific monetary objectives that you aim to achieve within a defined time period. Think of them as your roadmap to financial security and independence. These aren't just vague wishes like wanting more money. Instead, they're concrete targets with clear amounts and deadlines. For example, saving $10,000 for an emergency fund by next year, or accumulating $500,000 for retirement by age 60. Having well-defined financial goals gives your money a purpose and helps you make better spending and saving decisions every day. Short-term financial goals are objectives you can achieve within 1 year or less. These goals require immediate action and focused effort over the next 12 months. The beauty of short-term goals is that they're achievable relatively quickly, which helps build momentum and confidence in your financial journey. Because the timeline is shorter, these goals typically involve less complex planning and are easier to track. You can see progress quickly, which keeps you motivated to continue working toward your larger financial objectives. Let's look at some common examples of short-term goals. Building an emergency fund is crucial. This means saving 3 to 6 months of expenses to protect yourself from unexpected events. Paying off credit card debt helps you eliminate high-interest charges that drain your finances. Saving for a vacation allows you to travel without going into debt. Purchasing new electronics, like a laptop or smartphone, is another typical short-term goal. These are all objectives that require consistent saving or debt repayment over several months, and they're achievable within a year with proper planning and discipline. Long-term financial goals require 5 years or more to achieve. These are the big-picture objectives that shape your entire financial life. Unlike short-term goals, long-term goals need sustained commitment, strategic planning, and patience. They often involve larger sums of money and require you to make consistent contributions over many years. The benefit of long-term goals is the power of compound interest. Your money has time to grow significantly. These goals require you to think beyond immediate needs and focus on building lasting financial security and wealth. Common long-term goals include buying a home, which typically requires years of saving for a down payment and building good credit. Funding a child's education means accumulating substantial savings over 15 to 18 years. Retirement planning is perhaps the most important long-term goal. You need to build enough wealth to support yourself for 20 to 30 years without working. Building a wealth portfolio through investments in stocks, bonds, and real estate takes years of consistent contributions and smart investment choices. Each of these goals requires a long-term perspective and disciplined financial behavior. The differences between short-term and long-term goals are significant. Short-term goals typically involve lower-risk investments because you need the money soon and can't afford market volatility. They offer high flexibility. You can adjust your approach quickly if circumstances change. The strategy focuses on immediate action and quick wins. In contrast, long-term goals can tolerate higher risk because you have years to recover from market downturns. They're less flexible since changing course can be costly. The strategy emphasizes consistent, patient planning rather than quick results. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right approach for each goal. Planning your financial goals effectively involves 4 key steps. First, define specific and measurable targets. Instead of saying, save more money, specify, save $5,000 in 6 months. Second, categorize each goal by time horizon. Is it short-term, medium-term, or long-term? Third, allocate your resources appropriately based on urgency and importance. Your emergency fund takes priority over a vacation fund. Finally, review and adjust regularly. Your financial situation and priorities change, so revisit your goals quarterly to ensure they still align with your life circumstances. Following these steps transforms vague wishes into actionable financial plans.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.